Good afternoon. I am Eustacio Gilot. I am from Cogon, Baybay, Leyte City. I live in Barangay Cogon again. In our problem in our barangay, we see that we have no light when in going to school and in going after. It is very stinky and very rocky to steps. I cannot even see when I go home at lately 6 or 7 p.m. And now I would like to recommend this to be changed and to become concrete. And this is when I go to school. This is when I go to school. Ipapalit-palit. From the rocky road, pagtumba-tumba tasyo. From a rocky road which was very, very hard to step, and to the new one, and